Hey y'all, it's Miss Krispy Kreme, and yes, I'm in my bathroom. So I'm gonna be filming my declutter, and I'm gonna have different, categories for each thing and post them in parts. I just felt like I needed to declutter because I had to move back home from the dorm, and I had so much stuff. It was so overwhelming. So I felt like I needed to get rid of stuff. So that's what these videos are gonna be about. Some of this stuff I'm gonna throw away because it's so old, and some of this stuff I'm gonna put in a box for like my family and friends to go to. And some stuff I might sell. I think there's like one thing that's like, higher end that I think I might want to sell. So I might post that when I do that. But yeah, this video is gonna be in different parts. I think I'm just gonna have the same intro for each thing, just because. And yeah, hope you like it. Like this and comment if you want to see me organizing my vanity at my new house for when I move for next semester, so I can make a video about that and me putting all my makeup away and making my beauty room. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Okay, so this is currently what my vanity looks like. I know it looks like a mess because I had to bring all my stuff back from my dorm. So there's stuff just everywhere. I mean, I have boxes right there, right there, right there. All this stuff. Whoa, hey there. I mean, this is full of stuff. This is full of stuff. It's just everywhere, and I know I have some in my backpack and my purse, so I'm gonna get all this stuff in categories and go through it all and Okay, so next up is all of my like single shadows, and there's some glitters and stuff in there, but I know I'm literally gonna get rid of probably most of these, so let's just go through these first. So actually, I'm gonna keep these because I actually really do like these. These are the Cover FX, I don't even know, Shimmer Veil little things. I really like these. I used this on Halloween and it was really pretty. So I think I want to use this on top of more things. Let me just show you. I don't know. It's hard to tell, but it's really pretty. These are really nice. But last time I used this, it looked like really, like it started to flake and get really dry. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm going to keep these for now. And if they get funky, then I'll probably throw them away. Okay. This... I just literally never use. I don't use eye primers. I literally just use concealer. So I'm going to get rid of this. I'm going to keep this Colourpop shadow in Weenie because I think it's really pretty, and I don't really have a lot of stuff like that. So I'm just going to, yeah, look at that. That's pretty. Okay. Well, okay, whatever. Next is this Infallible from 24-hour eyeshadow in Amber Rush. It looks like this. I'm not going to take it out. Well, you know what? I'm going to swatch it because it doesn't look right on camera, and I know it's like actually really pretty, but let me just swatcheroo that. That's that right there. It's a really pretty like pinky color. So I'm going to keep that one too. A lot of these like singles, if I use them like on a regular basis. It's not like a once in a time thing because I just don't care to keep those. But 2 NYX glitters. This is the only glitter that I own, and this is like a pigment thing. So I think I'm gonna get rid of this pigment thing because like I'm never gonna use this. I'm gonna get rid of this, and since this is the only glitter I own, I'm gonna keep that. Okay, all these Colourpop shadows. These are really old, and they're just like a bunch of neutral shadows, so I'm going to get rid of them all these. Okay, so I just have some more of these Infallible 24 Hours. I have one in pink, purple, and a gold one. I don't use these. I don't need these, so I'm going to pass these along too. This Natasha Denona one, this is so pretty on the eyes. It goes on like butter, but something about this, when you put it on, it has so much fallout under your eyes. I don't know what it is. I think I need to like wet my brush or something, because I don't wet my brush when I use this because you don't need to. So I think I need to try it using that. If not, I don't know. Like, it's so pretty, but it gets everywhere under the eyes, and it's so hard to get rid of. So, okay, next I have this Vintage by Jessica. I don't know even where this is from, but it's so old. It's just like this pink thing, and I don't even think it looks that good, so I'm going to pass this along. These two NYX ones I don't use and I don't need. I don't even know. This is just like a regular shade, and this is some purple shade. I don't know. I don't even. In Skinny Dip. I don't use these. I don't need these. I'm going to pass these along. Okay. This Milani shadow, I don't need. I have other colors. And this, where is this from? Lancome. This is in Kitten Heel. I mean, it's pretty. It's pink and then goes gold, but I don't need it either. I just don't care to have single eyeshadows laying around everywhere. It bothers me, so. And here is what I am going to keep. And this is what I am getting rid of. So, pretty good portion out of that one. Okay, so these are some eye products. Well, these are like the rest of my eye products. Like mascaras. These are mini mascaras. These are all eyeliners. And these are like brow stuff. So, we're gonna go through those. I know I'm gonna get rid of a good bit of eyeliners. So, we'll have that. So let's go through the eyebrow stuff first. Okay, wait. Did I get... Okay. So, first off, this Iconic London. I mean, it was alright. I tried it a couple times, but I just don't use stuff like this, so I'm going to pass this one along. This IT Cosmetics brow stuff. This was alright, too. I have other ones that I like more, so I'm going to pass this one along. This, I'm going to keep because I like it. I like the color, even though it's literally just the end of it. I'm going to keep this one. Okay, this I'm going to get rid of. I don't even know where the cap is, and obviously, like, I haven't even taken this part off, the seal, so I'm going to get rid of this. This is the one that I use every day, but it's broken. It's from Colourpop. I can get that back on. Colourpop Brow Boss in Taupe. I really like this. I need to get a new one because this is broken, but I think I'm going to use the rest of this up and then, like, start using this. Wait, can this go on here? Oh, God. Okay, no, that doesn't. Oh, okay. That doesn't fit. But, yeah, I think I'm going to keep this and use it up and then move on to this. Okay. I have all of these, what are these called? Brow gels. Yeah, brow gels. And I don't even use brow gels. I mean, I like to have one to, like, keep just in case if I like to use them. So I think I'm just going to keep this one that I've opened and then get rid of these two. And, like, because I know someone who likes these, so I'm going to pass these on. Keep this. And then this is a backup brow pencil, so I'm going to keep this. This is from NYX in the shade, where is it? Pretty sure this is in Taupe. Oh, yeah, Taupe. Yeah, so I'm going to keep that. Okay, so keeping those, because I know I'm going to get rid of those soon, and getting rid of these. I have way too many mascaras because I barely even wear makeup that much anyways, just because of college, so I need to get rid of stuff. This I'm going to keep because I don't know why. It's almost used up, and I like to use this for when I'm, like, combing through my lashes. This really separates them, so I'm going to keep this. Hold on, let me shut the door. Okay, these two Wonder Beauty ones, I don't remember which one I've used and which one I haven't. Okay, this one looks like I've used it. Okay. I'm going to keep this. It's alright. It's kind of like an everyday thing, but it doesn't really do anything crazy, so I'm going to keep this, and I'm going to pass this one along because I've never used it, so yeah. Okay, let's go through these. This one, I'm going to keep and just use it up. A lot of these I've opened, so I'm going to just keep and use up. It's the same thing with this. It's good. Ew, wait, what? Wait. Oh, I think the stopper, like something happened. Hold on. Okay, yeah, that's more better. Alright, so I just need to use these up and then toss them out. These two, this is like my favorite, one of my favorite mascaras ever. This one I think I'm just going to throw this away because this is getting pretty dried up. So I'm going to throw that away. And then I have this one, so I'm going to keep this one. But yeah, it's really good. And it's cheap. This, yeah, I'm going to give this away just because look how big it is. It's, why does it has this thing on the top that's some type of like, I don't know, you put your lashes in and it curls them, but I don't need that, so I'm going to pass this on. I've never used it. This L'Oreal one, I'm just going to use that up. It's good, it's alright, nothing special. All these mini ones, I mean, these are good for travel. I know I like this, I use that. I've never tried this mascara, so I want to try that, actually. This one, it's alright to me. I think I'm going to pass that on because my sister likes it a lot. It's nothing special to me, so I'm going to pass that on. And then I use both of these, so I'm going to keep these. Okay, so I'm keeping these, getting rid of these, and I'm just going to use these up, and yeah. Next is eyeliners. I have so many eyeliners, and I only know that I like a few of them. So let's just go through these colorful eyeliners first off. Like these crazy ones. This white is literally trash, but because it literally just like dries up and flakes everywhere and you can't layer it, and it's, you know. But I don't have any other white eyeliner, so I kind of feel like I have to keep it. So it's going to stay for now. Same with this one. I don't have any other like pink. Oh wait, that is so dried out. Oh god. Okay, I'm going to throw that away because that's so dried out. Wait, let me check this white one. Oh. Okay, the white is fine. But I know it's bad, so that's going to stay. This one I also recently got. I haven't really been able to try this out yet a lot, but I think it's really pretty, so I'm going to keep that. This, oh god. I don't have yeah, okay, yeah, I'm going to get rid of that. That's all nasty and dried up. I'm going to throw that away. I'm throwing both of those away. Okay, so let's go through other, like, colored stuff. Yeah, okay. Alright, these, I've never even tried these. Yeah, I'm going to get rid of that. I know that these are, that just, like, literally looks black, so she's gonna go. Let's see, this navy. I don't know, I guess I can stay. I don't really have stuff like that. Well, let me try this first. Okay, they can both stay for now. I like to play around with my eyeliner. And then this purple. Okay, that I just know that's going to be horrible trying to put it on my eye, so I'm getting rid of that. Okay, let's go through these liquid liners. That's not liquid. That's liquid. Oh, that's liquid. That's liquid. That is too. Okay. This Essence one, this is Essence eyeliner pen, waterproof. This is going to stay. I really like this. It's cheap, and it looks good. This one, yeah, it's literally trash. I don't even know where this is from. Beauty for Real, Finish Line, I don't know. But it was so, like, sheer, I don't even know. It was just bad. I'm getting rid of that. This Stila one, I really like it. That's going to stay. It stays on all day. It's super black. That's staying. Need to get a new one, though. This Smashbox one, yeah, this is crap. I mean, I don't want to say it's crap. It's fine. But, I mean, comparing it to the Stila one, let me show you. comparing it to the Stila one for like opacity, look how black that is. And let me show you this one. Okay, well, you know, you can't really tell. But this is very, this is more matte than that one. And this, for some reason, like, tends to bleed. So, yeah, you can see. It's starting to bleed a little bit. But I'm just going to get rid of this. If I don't like it, like, if I don't love it, I'm just going to get rid of it. This Ico one, I don't remember. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good. It's not bleeding or anything, so that can stay. And then this e.l.f. one, this is not that great, so I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, this Molly eyeliner in Amber, this is so pretty. I use this all the time. I use it as like a wing liner. I use it in my waterline. It's super pretty. I want to try more stuff from Molly, but obviously, like, you know, I don't even know where they sell this stuff at, but I want to get some more of this. This is, I know I have another one. Yeah, this is a black one. Oh, wait, is it? Onyx. I'm going to keep this because I like that other one, so I'm going to keep this one. I think I'm going to get rid of this because I have that other brown one that I like a lot, so yeah, that's going to go. This stuff, I don't even know. I think I'm going to keep the Marc Jacobs one because that's pretty nice, so this one... Oh, God, wait, what the heck? What is wrong with it? Yeah, I'm throwing that away. This Bare Minerals Long Lasting. I don't know, it's alright. If I have those other ones. Okay, this one can stay, and this Bare Minerals can go. Okay, so this is what I'm keeping. This is what I'm getting rid of. It looks like it's about half.